Ever notice how some people seem luxurious, even when they're not wearing anything flashy? Think about the timeless style of Audrey Hepburn or the effortless elegance of Kate Middleton. It's not just about designer labels or the latest trends, it's often about mastering the right color combinations. The colors you choose can transform an outfit from ordinary to extraordinary, making you look polished and expensive without spending a fortune. When I first started exploring the world of elegance, I remember trying different color pairings to see which made me feel the most confident and refined. I realized that the right combinations could change not only how I looked but also how I felt. That's when I knew color was my secret weapon. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most luxurious-looking color combinations that you can start using today. Have you ever wondered why certain outfits just seem to work, no matter how simple they are? Or why do some color pairings make you feel more put together? Stick around because I'm about to reveal the secrets that style icons have been using for decades. My name is Aisha, and if you're as passionate about elegance and style as I am, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Aisha's Elegance, let's elevate your wardrobe together. Why color combinations matter. Think about how you feel when you see a woman dressed in all black like Angelina Jolie on the red carpet. There's an undeniable sense of power and confidence. Or picture the serene, peaceful vibe that flows from someone in a crisp white outfit, much like the calm and grace Queen Letizia of Spain exudes in her appearances. These feelings aren't accidental, they're the result of carefully chosen color combinations that do more than just match. Colors also carry meanings. For instance, navy blue is often associated with trust and reliability, making it a favorite among royals and professionals alike. Burgundy speaks of wealth and sophistication, while a neutral palette of beiges and creams can whisper elegance in the subtlest way. Now, I'm curious, what color combinations have you tried that made you feel more confident and elegant? Share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. Top 5 expensive-looking color combinations. Now, let's dive into the 5 color combinations that can instantly make any outfit look more luxurious. These pairings have been seen on style icons for years, and they continue to stand the test of time. Whether you're dressing for a special occasion or just want to elevate your everyday look, these combinations are your go-to for an effortlessly chic appearance. 1. Black and camel. There's something about the contrast between rich black and warm camel that just oozes sophistication. This combination has been a favorite of style icons like Victoria Beckham, who often pairs a black turtleneck with a camel coat for a look that's both simple and stunning. The deep, neutral tone of camel softens the starkness of black, creating a balanced and refined look that works in any season. 2. White and beige. Imagine the elegance of a crisp white shirt paired with beige trousers, much like the timeless style of Grace Kelly. This combination is all about understated luxury. White adds a fresh, clean feel, while beige brings warmth and subtlety. Together, they create a look that is effortlessly polished and perfect for those who want to appear put together without trying too hard. 3. Navy and gray. This duo is the epitome of quiet elegance. Navy and gray are colors that exude professionalism and grace, often seen in the wardrobes of women like Meghan Markle. Navy adds depth, while gray keeps things soft and sophisticated. This combination is ideal for those who want to look poised and in control, whether at the office or in a more casual setting. 4. Burgundy and gold. Burgundy is a rich, deep color that conveys luxury and confidence. When paired with gold, it creates a striking look that feels both warm and opulent. Think of the way Sarah Jessica Parker might style a burgundy dress with gold accessories, bold yet perfectly balanced. This combination is perfect for evening events or any time you want to make a statement without being too flashy. 5. Monochrome neutrals. Sometimes less is more, and nothing proves this better than a monochrome outfit in neutral tones. Whether it's all beige, gray, or even a soft taupe, this look is about embracing simplicity and letting the quality of your pieces shine through. Think of the classic styles of women like Jennifer Aniston, who often opt for head-to-toe neutrals that radiate effortless elegance. This combination is perfect for those who want to look expensive without relying on bold colors. These 5 color combinations are more than just pairings, they're a strategy for looking your best without needing to overthink your outfit. Have you tried any of these combinations before? Which one is your favorite? Tips for using these combinations. Now that you've discovered some of the most luxurious-looking color combinations, let's talk about how to make them work for you. It's not just about picking the right colors, how you style them can make all the difference. Here are a few tips to help you master these combinations and elevate your overall look. Accessorizing. Accessories can make or break an outfit, especially when working with these color combinations. The key is to keep it simple and cohesive. For example, if you're wearing black and camel, opt for gold jewelry or a camel handbag to tie the look together. If you're dressed in navy and gray, silver accessories can add a touch of elegance without overpowering the outfit. Remember, less is more, let the colors speak for themselves, and use accessories to enhance rather than distract. Fabric choice. The fabric you choose plays a crucial role in how luxurious your outfit appears. A black and camel combination can look incredibly sophisticated in rich fabrics like cashmere, silk, or wool. For white and beige, consider lighter fabrics like linen or cotton for a crisp, clean look. Burgundy and gold shine brightest in materials like velvet or satin, which add depth and richness to the colors. Even monochrome neutrals can be elevated with high-quality fabrics. Think of a cashmere beige sweater paired with tailored trousers in the same hue. The right fabric can turn even the simplest outfit into something truly elegant. Seasonal adjustments. Colors can have different effects depending on the season, so it's important to adjust your combinations accordingly. In the warmer months, white and beige or monochrome neutrals in lighter fabrics will keep you looking fresh and polished. During the cooler months, switch to deeper tones like navy and gray or burgundy and gold, using heavier fabrics to add warmth and texture. For instance, a camel coat in winter paired with black leather boots creates a timeless, luxurious look, while a light beige dress in summer paired with white sandals feels effortlessly chic. Common mistakes to avoid. Even the most elegant color combinations can fall flat if they're not styled correctly. To ensure you always look polished and put together, let's go over some common mistakes to avoid when using these luxurious color pairings. 1. Ignoring skin tone. Another common mistake is not considering how certain colors complement your skin tone. A combination like white and beige can look incredibly chic, but if the shades are too close to your skin color, they might wash you out instead of making you glow. Pay attention to how the colors interact with your complexion. For instance, if you have warmer undertones, opt for a creamier white and a richer beige. If you have cooler undertones, crisp whites and cooler beiges might suit you better. This small adjustment can make a huge difference in how polished and vibrant you look. 2. Lack of balance. Balance is key when working with any outfit, but it's especially important with luxurious color combinations. If you're wearing something bold like burgundy and gold, make sure that the rest of your look is kept simple to avoid overwhelming the eye. Balance also applies to proportions. If you're wearing a loose, flowing camel coat, pair it with more fitted black trousers to create a harmonious silhouette. Similarly, if you're rocking a monochrome neutral look, vary the textures and fabrics to keep the outfit interesting while maintaining its elegant simplicity. The key takeaway here is that looking polished and expensive isn't about spending a lot of money or having a closet full of designer labels. It's about making thoughtful choices with the colors and pieces you already have. With the right combinations, you can create outfits that exude sophistication and class, no matter the occasion. I'm excited to see how you incorporate these color combinations into your own wardrobe. If you've learned something new today or have your own tips to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Aisha's Elegance so you never miss out on more style secrets and tips. Until next time, remember that true elegance is all about confidence and knowing how to put your best foot forward.